Hello guys, welcome back to this Learn Anyone channel. So today we'll discuss how to create a first program, ABAP program. So we will see how to create a ABAP like a practical demo. Okay, how to create a simple a program. Okay, so this session is very wonderful for the ABAPers. Okay, who start learning and who planning to start the ABAP. Okay, so let's start. So you can see this is a SAP system demo systems. Okay, and this is a command prompt basically. Okay, once you log in into the ABAP system, okay, either ECC or S4 HANA, you will see this is the initial screen. Okay, in this screen you will see the command prompt over here. So there is a first program, okay, that is a T transition code, that is SC38. So before going to the write a program and tell you the detail, okay, I will show you, what is the difference between the ECC ABAP and S4 HANA ABAP. So if you go to the S system and status, I will show you what is the type of system basically. You can go to here detail, like you will see here like in the install product. So you can see this is a S4 HANA, right? 2025 version. So this is the latest version. Okay, so this is the S4 HANA basically. This is not an ECC, right? Because this is S4. Okay, and database always S4 should be HANA database. This is the difference between ECC ABAP and S4 HANA ABAP. Okay, so this is how we can check basically the system type, right? Now come to back here in the screen, SAP initial screen. Now here I am going to type here SC38 is the T code for initial. Okay, first time if you are writing any program, so this is a SC38 is the first program. So I am going to press enter. Now you can see here ABAP editor or initial screen for ABAP writing. Okay, so here is the ABAP. Okay, so you have to give the ABAP like a program name. So let's see, I'm giving some. So always name should start Z or Y, that is a custom program. Okay, that is G or Y. So let's see, I'm giving here program. Okay, like a first. Okay, this is the like our program, right? So this is the name of the program. Okay, now you can see the left sub object is there: source code, variant, attribute, text element, and documentations. So based on your requirement, so what you are trying to do over here. So are you going to write a source code, variant, attribute, text element, and documentations, right? So here I am trying to show you or step by step tutorial like how to create a source code, how to write a program for initial program, right? Very simple program. So now click here create. If already exists, you can display it. If you want to change on existing program, you can go to change it. So I am going to here create a new program. So give the program name and click create. Now here steps. Title of the program. So you can write something title like first program. Okay, and original language or only en. Okay, created by this username, and last changes whatever. Okay, status is given. Now here type, attribute type, what kind of attribute basically. So this is a executable program. So if you have a different like a pool module or behavior or function group something, okay, you can choose it, but this is the program for executable program. Okay, now you can see status here. So status, you can see multiple like which system you are creating: test system, S system, P system, like production system. So this is undefined. This is just a demo system, right? So I'm not going to choose any system type of system. Right now here we have a authorized group. If you have any specific authorization group you are creating this program, you can put it, but this is a demo system. Okay, we are not going to give any authorization group. Application server, if you are giving something, under which application server you are creating this, okay, this program, so you can choose over here. So if it is not urgent or something, you can put it a star or something, cross application, whatever. Or if it's not required, okay, do not is not mandatory one. Okay, now LBD, okay, name, it is not required, you can leave it. Initial session, it is not required. Okay, even you can see ABAP language version. So what are the languages you want? So standard one. Okay, so put like this. Okay, and click save button. If you click save button, next will be here create object directory. Okay, you can see here that attributes are there, package name. So here there is a two types of package basically. One is temporary package, another one is a global package. So temporary, that means local objects, which is not a transferable. You can't transport this object from development to quality and quality to productions. Okay, but if it is a global transport, definitely you can move from one system to another system. Example, if you created one program and you want to move into the development to quality, you can do it, right? So here, if you want to create, if you have existing one, you can give it here name. If you click here, here so many there. If it is not there, you have to create it. Okay, I'll tell you the next session how to create a package basically. Okay, so now here, so I am going to show you that local objects. Okay, I am clicking local objects. Okay, and you see, once you click local objects, okay, that program like Jet Pro first has saved onto the local program, which is not transport. Okay, local packages, right? So now here I'm going to write something. This is the editor where you can write a first program, and now you can see this editor is not active, inactive. So let's see a simple, I'm going to write something, write like welcome ABAP, right? See, right, full stop, simple program I'm going to write. Okay, just welcome ABAP. Okay, just you have to save it or activate it. So better you can do activate. So activate, what will do, it's save as well as activate it. So just click on activate. See here in the bottom, object has been activated. That means your object has been saved and activate, both had been done. Without activations you can't execute this program, right? So now you can see here one button is there, execute or direct processing button. Click on this. See, first program, it is welcome ABAP. So whatever you written, it is executed. It is right over here. This is the output of this program, right? So you can go back and see like this. Okay, so this is like a simple program. Okay, and here is a multiple options are there. Okay, so day by day you will see better. Okay, if you, this is the editor button. If you want to not edit, you can see this is just click over here. It is not an, it is a view version. Okay, if you want to edit something, you can here edit it. Okay, now you can write again. Let's see, I'm writing something again. Okay, like this is a first program, right? So I'm just writing. Okay, see, it is writing. Okay, again, whenever you do some changes or modification under this code, okay, definitely you have to activate, okay, or save it. So save is whenever you do activate, that means save and activate both happened. See, you can bottom object activated. Now you can execute it. See, it is happening like this. Welcome ABAP, this is the first program, right? So this is, we have it, this is a simple program, and now you can see this is activated here, options, right? So this is the basics. Okay, and there is more options over here, like so many things, debugging pattern. If you want to pretty printer, see what happens. See, it is like pretty printer, that kind of adjustment in ABAP editor, right? So these are the basic things over here. Okay, and apart from, if you go to the here, options are there, save. Okay, you can have a find and more find options are there, you can execute. You can see here, this is a check. If any error, okay, it would be checked. Let's see, I'll show you something. Okay, let's see, I'm writing something, let's see something. Okay, something, let's see what happened. See, it is, see, it is, let's see, I'm checking. See, it is an error. Why? Because something error here over. See, 13 steps here saying, okay, the last statement is not complete. Period, okay, it is missing. Some period is missing. Something missing over here. Not a proper. Even see, that is a right statement is not correct. Spelling mistakes, right? So see here, that is like okay, you have to correct it. Let's see, I am right here something. Okay, see, right, and what? Okay, so here I am writing something. Okay, like ABAP. Yes, now I'm trying. Okay, now I'm trying to check this. What happened now? See, no syntax error means syntax is remove it. So now again you have to save it, or again you have to activate it. Okay, see, it is saying inactivate, it is not activate, so you have to activate, right? See, this is the real thing. So what I'm showing you here, right? Now it is activated. Now you have to execute it. Without activate, it not allowed to execute it. Now see, welcome ABAP. This is the first program ABAP, right? So this is the output, how it look like. Okay, so this is the initial things. Okay, initial program or first program. Okay, we written over here. So now if you click over here, you will see the all the detail, like what kind of a system, client, and program, transaction, everything you look like over here. So this is, we have it a simple, okay, program. If you want to, I mean, it is a save under the local. There is no transport request has been generated because this program has save under local packages. So local package has not generated, and which is not transferable from development to quality to production. So this is the initial, okay, like a program. So this is how it works. And apart from that, if you want to check more, like there is more options over here, like you want to check the profile over here, set user, and you check the profile as well. So this is the another, okay, we have it profile as well. Okay, so this is the another, okay, this is the first program which I show you. So please, okay, like, subscribe this channel. Even you can know, you can put a query if, or questions if you have it. Okay, and definitely you can wait for the next session. So thank you for watching the video. Till then, bye.